good, nigga.
Good, my man.
Shit.
Hey, look at that. Look good. Transforming this one.
Slowly but surely, nigga.
Look at the lights. Oh yeah, they look good. Damn, like a whole different car.
Right.
Oh nah, you was going crazy.
Yeah, damn. Now all I got left now, bro, shit, I'm gonna do my damn. I already got my diffuser at the crib.
Oh yeah.
I just gotta get my exhaust now, nigga.
Oh yeah, right about the exhaust for sure, for sure. That didn't look good though.
Yeah. Shit turned out good, right?
Hell yeah. Look at that fitment. Oh my god.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh yeah, that look good.
Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Nigga says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the budget now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I tell.
Ugly.
Yeah. Nah, this gonna go crazy. It's gonna go crazy.
Like they plug and play little people.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's it. So.
Smoke ones.
Woo! Oh yeah. That's fire. That's fire. Alright, after I took these, but you should be able to pull them out now so you can pull it up. So you should be able to slide right out of there. You might probably have to wiggle it a little bit too. There you go.
Oh shit.
Slide right up out of there. Yeah, you gotta pop that. Ooh, quick as hell, nigga.
The only thing is.
Talking about that little extra piece?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is that though.
We call Charlotte, see if he,
Yeah.
call that nigga.
We call it.
He told me something, bro, Searcy, come over there, I'm gonna pull up. I'm like, man, you ain't pulling up over here.
That nigga there, let me call this nigga real quick.
Damn, them shits look good.
I nigga, Fred, this shit is a must, nigga.
Definitely a big difference. Transforming, boy. He ain't even got a tag yet to do all this work. The springs look good, too.
This nigga don't never answer my phone.
Yeah, I think that's the one.
Yeah,
Oh, no, that's the other one. I'm trimming. Yeah, it's the other one. Cause remember, if you to flip it upside down.
Retarded, nigga. These shits need to come off or no?
Nah, that's staying there. Put the little tail in there first.
Motherfucker come through.
Yeah, it's in there. Make sure it's sealed up all the way. That part right there. So yeah, put it all the way in there. And just slide you up in there. Make sure all the holes are lined up. Damn, that shit look good. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Yeah, make sure, I'm about to make sure every hole lined up on this one. This side lined up perfect.
This side here gonna be the BC hole.
I'm about to say, yeah. I'll let you.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go.
Oh my god, nigga.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh yeah. That's crazy.
Better, nigga. With the Bluetooth. Damn. It's already plugged in.
Alright, yeah, alright, hit the little button to see what it do.
Oh shit, Fred.
That's like fire. That's hard. Oh yeah. That's nice.
I'm about to see how the turn signal look on that.
Oh yeah. That's nice. Oh my god, move when you open the door too? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Fred, nigga.
Oh yeah, that's hard. That's hard, I ain't gonna lie. That didn't look good. That didn't look good right there. Oh yeah. Oh snap, you got it on the what's the name too?
What's that? Oh yeah, you ain't know that bread.
God damn, boy, fancy.
It's all up in the.
Oh yeah, I forgot about right here too. Yeah, too fancy for me. Transformation. It's a real life transformation. Like you went crazy. And how long you for? You had this car for how long? 3 weeks? Nigga went crazy. Nigga went crazy.
We're around, nigga.
God damn. And I didn't play no games. Ain't play no
Cotton through this bitch and shit.
play no games.
Hey, push that motherfucker in there.
Yeah, that's a water don't get in that bitch.
Hell no, nigga, I be sick, nigga.
Nah, you went crazy though. Ain't take that long either. That's how you put something together. No waste of time.
You know it, nigga. You know how I do it, nigga. There we go. Oh my god, I forget, nigga.
Oh yeah.
This shit look crazy, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That shit look crazy.
Dude, though, bro, I ain't gonna count, dude.
That shit made the car look mean.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's fire.
Much needed right there, dude.
Hell yeah. That was too easy, man. Them lights hard too. How much you pay for these lights? The little side markers.
No, matter of fact, don't give me that. It was 460.
I'm talking about the little side marker lights.
Oh, the side markers, they were like, let me see, I want to say they was like, I can tell you right now, hold on.
Like, that's a good combination. They look good together. Damn, that shit look good.
I'm gonna tell you right now, bro. Hold on.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that shit hard. Wow, that's crazy. Took 10 minutes. Transformed the whole back of the car in 10 minutes. Damn, I gotta get some. I ain't gonna lie.
I gotta shoot my man, you know, put something for the job and shit.
See hard. Hit the lights on there. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
I shot you 25. That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's good, that's good. This shit. Oh my god.
Well, like I said.
So you brought these two separately? Or it came?
Pieces, so
okay.
Them niggas charge me an oversized fee and shit.
Damn.
Additional $40, nigga.
So the tail lights was how much?
Tail like 460.
The wing.
It came up total after everything like 580.
The side markers.
30.
The springs.
Those was like 350.
The emblems.
That was like $25.
The covers.
80.
We spent a lot of money.
Yeah.
The drill slots.
That came out like 450. Yeah,
so how much do you think it was that total in?
So probably like 2,500, $3,000, something like that almost.
So 2,500 to get your car to look like this. This shit look good. I ain't gonna.
Let me see.
It look good though. My God. Damn, so where's you at? Oh yeah, you gotta paint the color with the
So I'm probably gonna do that orange I showed you though.
That orange fire.
Yeah.
That orange is fire.
Yeah, I'll do that orange fire.
Damn, this shit look good. Hit the hazard lights again one more time. Let me see the hazards. God damn. Oh yeah, that shit hard. That shit hard, nigga.
Hey, that's insane though, for real.
Man. Hey, you going crazy with this one.
Yeah, man. That's how we do with the game.
It ain't even been that long, dog.
Man, I got some more goodies coming soon though, man.
Nah, for real. This it's fancy. Like, oh my God.
Then fucking So I'm gonna do the steering wheel too. I'm gonna get with the red stitch on it.
Oh yeah. Gotta do the steering wheel. Gotta do the steering wheel.
But that's the little shit. I ain't really worried about that.
Numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Ayy.